One of the things as a maintainer we're always up against is infill and repairs. As you can see here, there's a lot of moisture inside of the repair. It's really hard for our glue to attach when it's wet. Today we're giving GrassFitt a try to see when it works when it's wet, and see how the application will go. Looking forward to working with this product, as we think it'll help us kind of move forward with repairs in tricky conditions. As you can see inside, it's pretty wet. Oh shit. So after 10 minutes, you can see here that we're attached. We're not pulling apart. Glue is set and dried in 10 minutes all the way across.